What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. If this is your first time over here in the land of McFly, man, I welcome you. I appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you become a freaking flyer, man. Join the winning team. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I'll give you a couple seconds. All right. Today is January 1st, man. We had a goal set. We were trying to hit 300 subs by January 1, and it's bittersweet, man. We fell a little short. We ended up with 241 subs, which is still, I'm good with it. I ain't tripping, but I'd like to hit 300 by the end of January. So we're gonna bump that down to the end of January. For those of you wondering why all this flame is over here on the table, we wore the solar HUs today. If you check out my Instagram and my Facebook, I got some on foots up there if any of y'all interested in the on foot game. But for now, as you can see, we got a box. This will be my first real review of 2019. It will be my last, this is my last purchase of 2018. This was the last shoe that I bought. Showed up, I've had it for a few days, but you know, for those of you who don't know, we do real reviews over here, man. We don't open the box. I like to get everything natural. You can get my real reaction as opposed to people who've already seen the shoe, they review it, and it's like, nah, we ain't doing that. So, I've wanted this shoe since I first saw it. Jeez Louise, what happened to this box? This is from Adidas, and I've never got a damaged box from Adidas, but damn. Tamper evident tape and all that. Adidas, we gotta talk about this. What is that? Somebody was dancing on my shoe or something, bro? I don't know about that. But at any rate, we got a pair of BYW Level X's. The Pharrell joints, as you can tell by the HU box. Hey, I wore HUs today, how about that? It's been a Pharrell day. This box, boy, I'm upset about that. Anyway, these are the Pharrell BYWs. And this shoe, boom! Check that out. That grown man size 14, you know? Bigfoot gang stand up, like I always say, man. If you're 13 and up, you can go ahead and subscribe, man. Good God. Yo, this shoe is all that I dreamed it would be. Man, that's nice. But for those of you who are familiar, and for those of you who are not familiar, we're gonna get you zoomed in for this close-up action. All right, man, we got you locked and loaded on this size tag right here. These are the Crazy X Pharrell BYWs, one of the dopest shoes to release this year. I'm still upset about this box. I'm gonna tweet Adidas or something. We gonna, that's horrible. We're gonna have to talk about that. Both shoes came individually wrapped. You have that same little dot sticker in there that everything else gets with the HUs, blah, 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 blah. All right, shoes. Now, here we go. Y'all see that flame? I guess we'll start here at your toe cap. Coming up, I mean, there are a ton of materials on this shoe, and I didn't realize that it was so many. You have like a mesh upper in this top portion here. This is like mesh. And right here, this is like textured mesh. With your color scheme, as you can see. Coming up here to your tongue, this part here that says gratitude and empathy, this is suede. I did not know that. That is suede on that portion. You have your black laces here with your 3M reflective on strong. They also came with a spare set of white laces, which I am gonna swap out immediately. They coming out. They have stripes on the laces, the white pair and the black pair on the lace tips. You guys can see that. Coming into your lateral side, you have the suede portion here. And I have the level 1 BYWs, and it's suede on this panel as well. You see you have yellow wrapping around on your crazy cushioning system here. These shoes are extremely comfortable. I took the insole out, and I'm gonna put a picture in so you guys can see the insole. This upper here on your sock liner, this is knitted. It kind of reminds me of the battle knit on the LeBron 16s. It reminds me of that. But rolling into your back here, you pick right back up with your mesh. On your medial side, you have this green shank here. I don't know if that's TPU or whatnot, but it's hard plastic. Yeah, and this shoe, it fuses so many colors and so many combinations that I just had to have it. Like, look at that outsole. Good gracious. And just looking at the boost here, you see how thick and chunky that boost is? But this is my first pair of X's, and this pair is actually made so you can actually like hoop in the shoe. You can actually play ball in these. The level 1s, you can't hoop in those. So you can actually play ball in these. They're should be comfortable for casual wear. I'm definitely gonna do it on foot, but this is kind of like the best of both worlds here. It just combines everything together, whereas a level 1 is just a casual shoe. You try to run in that, you're gonna break your damn ankles. Period. Straight up. The lacing system is rather strange because it has your traditional BYW hoops here, like the level 1s. But as you come over to this side, you have these elastic straps. And I guess that's for support or whatnot to keep you locked in, for sure. So I like this model, the X model. I like it way better than the original model. This is really destroying that. Back here on your pull tab, that's this isn't suede, this isn't nubuck. It's like a leather, but like that Gym Red Jordan 12 leather, where you don't know if it's leather or suede, or you don't know what it is, but it's leather-esque. If that's a thing, it's leather-esque. But that's pretty much it for the shoe. So I guess there's nothing really left to do but get to this on foot. All right, man. We locked and loaded on these bad boys. Went ahead and hit that lace swap for y'all so y'all could see it. But I guess you can't really see the words, so it don't matter. The shoe, the comfort on it is okay. It's not AA++++, but it's all right, you know, for a boost shoe. I will say that the level 1's comfort is smashing these, like 100% smashing, except for the back portion because it's all boost. The front section isn't boosted at all like on the level 1, so that makes a huge difference. But I really love the hoop in these, man. This is a dope shoe. $250 was the price tag on them for those of you who didn't grab them or whatnot. I'm pretty sure they're probably still around or whatnot for all you folks that are interested. 3M on the laces, you know. Like I said, man, I just love the colorway. I love the way it looks. This shoe is dope. I might actually snag a pair, just like a regular pair, just so I can have another hoop shoe. Because this is, I'd like to try it out and see. If I had to grade this particular shoe here, I'd probably give it a B- as far as comfort goes. A B- on fit and all of that. You can definitely go true to size on these. You're not gonna have any issues there. It was kind of hard for me to get my foot in, but once I got it in, it was good, but it was a little rough at first, but yeah. But other than that, Not a bad shoe at all. I would definitely recommend these. I wouldn't recommend them to hoop in yet because I haven't hooped in them, but we can revisit that at a later date. Definitely in my top 5 pickups of the year for sure. But yeah, that's about it, man. Until next time, it's your boy McFly, man. I'll holla at you.